Hello and welcome. You tune in to News Now with me, Ankita Saxena. It was a week of losses for Indian markets as Nifty closed 2% in the red. NTPC and Tata Steel emerged as top losers, down almost 10%. Sensex 2 closed below the 73,000 levels. My colleague Anisha is joining us with the roundup of this week's trade.
Well, if you're a bull, you'll say thank God it was Friday and the markets came to a close, because it wasn't a great close. In fact, the Nifty registered the worst weeks that it saw since October of 2023, but it was a bigger carnage if you're looking at the broader markets. The mid-cap and the small-cap indices have had the worst week since almost December of 2022, so quite a bit of weakness is what we saw this in the week gone by. Nifty did manage to hit a record high level of above 22,500, but quickly gave up gains from there. In fact, the Nifty index was down about 2%. However, it was the mid-cap index which was down 4.6%, and the small-cap index gave up almost 5.5% of its gain in a matter of 5 days. In terms of the IT sector, that also managed to lose or snap its 3-week losing streak, and it managed to end in the green. In fact, only one of the sectors that actually managed to close in the green for the week gone by. FMCG was a bit flattish. It was real estate that saw massive profit booking, so that sector was down almost 9%. PSU banks got undone, so 8 to 9% cut coming in there. Energy and OMCs were in focus on account of the price cut in the week gone by, so those stocks too came under pressure. And then the metal stocks also came under pressure despite the outperformance that we saw from the likes of Hindustan Copper, etc., because globally there are still a bit of worries around what's happening in the segment. So all of that played a part in the week gone by. Having said that, in terms of the stock-specific action, NTPC saw a sell-off of almost 10% from highs. Tata Steel was down. Coal India Power Grid were some of the other names. On the gaining side, TCS managed to hold up with a gain of 2.5%. Bharti, Brittania, HDFC Life, these were some of the other gainers. But clearly, if you are a bull, you would want to forget this week and move on, because it was quite a bit of weakness in terms of advanced decline ratio, in terms of the India wicks. And now, of course, the biggest skew for the market on Monday will be the date of the elections, which will be announced over the weekend.
And well,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.